Hi everyone, today I'm joining my friend Angela from Angela's Hangout and Bella from Bella D Design in a Thanksgiving mocktail cocktail barcart collaboration, and today I'm going to make a cranberry cream mocktail. Items that we will need, but I will have a list of each and every one of them down in the description box. That we will need is coconut cream, but if you don't have coconut cream, that's okay. Coconut cream is actually just a few hours away from coconut milk. Okay, so here I am putting in all the items that you will need for this mocktail, but I wanted to let you know if you do have the coconut milk, all you have to do is put it in the fridge, leave it overnight, and remove it. When you do remove it, do not shake it or stir it, and you will see the top of it will be the coconut cream, which you can use. So everything here that I am adding, like I said, I will have a list of it down in the description box. Now this is a drink that is very cool. If you want something sweet, this is not the drink for you. But if you like the coconut flavor, if you like the lime flavor, this is a drink for you. Also too, I had to substitute ginger ale, cranberry ginger ale. I could not find sparkling cranberry juice anywhere when I was looking to make this drink. Okay, you guys, so we're finished making the drink, and so now I'm just going to show you my bar cart. But like I said, if you're looking for a sweet drink, this is not it. But if you're looking for something cool and refreshing, if you like the flavor of coconuts, this is a drink for you. I would like to thank both Bella and Angela from Angela's Hangout and Bella from Bella D Design for hosting this amazing collaboration. Inspiredby, and thank you so much for watching. And if you like what you saw, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.